any court, you will see that daily the different kind of cases are going on.
So if you're talking about judicial system, there are a lot of cases are pending, and because of that, there are so many injustices to the people. Like Atul Subhash case, like many Kolkata cases. So there are so many cases that are depending upon the judicial system.
But you know that how many cases that are ignored, there, how many cases that are pending. Only few percentage of the cases that are seen, and the rest of them they are even for the years they are not solved.
Taking the money and just solving the case by just on the basis of the money. Like take example, Porsche case, just a person who is like a rich, so he just give the money, and now you can see there is not any type of equal.
And you talk about that they are doing very directly. No, they are not doing. If they are doing unfairly. Here should be a fair thing towards any kind of thing. They are doing unfairly towards for any kind of citizen, every kind of people.
Whole India saw that particular thing in our India because so many cases are there. Those cases there, but as you can raise the small cases, that is also done by the corruption because
Okay,
they
you
do
also know
corruption.
that,
Yes.
that they are doing corruption
Yes,
and
unfairly. So let me say that how many of you are afraid to go outside in this world and in this India? How many of you are suffering? How many girls are not doing the job? Every single person has the opportunity. Why? Because the judiciary system is too strong.
The wrong thing that you don't even know. People, girls have fear to go outside. Take an example, Kolkata case. Immediately what happened? Girls had a fear. That's why girls have fear to go outside. Sir, now the judicial system was not going on that time. That's why it happened. Take an example, the lot of girls are afraid to go outside. Why? Because of this kind of cases are happening.
Taking the example of today, current. Live in a current.
The case in the same happened in the